Hi all, welcome to my channel Green World Investor with yet another interesting topic for discussion. The secret tax instrument that could help you save lakhs of money in taxes, which nobody is talking about. So let's begin this video with a common question. Which are the most prominent tax saving instruments that we know about? I'm sure many of you, including me, would have said ELSS, tax saving deposits, PPF, EPF, etc. Of course, because these are the most popular and people are already conversant about them. However, there is another secret gem, which is the VPF or the Voluntary Provident Fund, which not many people know about. So this VPF is applicable to the salaried taxpayers who are the most tax abused in our society. Also, till the last year, there was no limit to any amount of contribution that one could have made in the VPF, but the government in all its wisdom has gone ahead and now put a limit of rupees 2.5 lakhs. So yes, my friends, you can only contribute a total of 2.5 lakhs to your VPF and EPF in any financial year. Any amount above and beyond will be taxable. However, many people do not contribute this 2.5 lakhs directly into their EPF. So with the help of VPF, they can bridge this gap and also help to enjoy an exemption on their corpus plus also an interest. Also, the government employees and for employees whose employers do not contribute to an EPF, this limit is 5 lakhs instead of the 2.5 lakhs. So now let's talk about what is a voluntary provident fund. So as the name suggests, the voluntary provident fund helps the contributor, an employee, salaried taxpayer, to make contributions voluntarily to his account. And he is entitled to earn an interest which is equal to that earned in an EPF, and also this interest gets credited to his EPF account. So suppose taxpayer is contributing rupees 5,000 to his EPF account. His employer is also contributing 5,000 to his EPF account. So a total of 10,000 contribution to the EPF. Now it is depends on the wish or the preference of the employee to either contribute 10,000 or 20,000 to this corpus as a VPF. The maximum amount which he can contribute here is the basic salary plus DA. So 100% of basic salary and dearness allowance is allowed to be contributed to his VPF account. So I hope you are finding this topic interesting. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel if you find it useful. Also share this video to make others aware. So let's continue. So what are the advantages of the VPF? Let us take a look at the long list of advantages that a voluntary provident fund has. So the number one point on my list is the sovereign guarantee. The VPF almost enjoys a sovereign guarantee because the government, in my opinion, will not allow the EPFO to default. Why? Because there are crores of taxpayers' hard-earned money saved into the EPF account. So in my opinion, there is not going to be a default from the side of EPFO, and therefore VPF also enjoys a sovereign guarantee. Number two is the interest rate. The VPF gives a very high interest rate when compared to any other fixed deposit or debt instrument. So currently it is giving an 8.1% interest rate, which is not easy to find in an FD or any other debt instrument. The third biggest advantage is the tax saving. So there is no tax that will be levied on a VPF in the form of the corpus that is formed or your future interest income that you will earn. Now suppose you have contributed 1 lakh as your corpus in a VPF account. Now taking 8.1% as the interest, you will earn 8,100 rupees as interest in the next year. Now this 8,100 is not taxable, plus any other future interest that you will earn is not taxable, and this is going to grow exponentially over the next 20 to 30 years as compared to any other debt asset. So yeah, that is another benefit of a VPF. Another another advantage of a VPF is that the redemption is very easy and also hassle free until and unless you do it prior to the maturity term of 5 years. Okay, next is that all the benefits that you get through an EPF will be available in case of a VPF. Why? Because your corpus is now going and forming a part of the EPF. So what all benefits you have earned in an EPF will get transferred to your VPF account. So that is another advantage. Next on the list is that even opening an VPF account is very hassle free. As soon as you join a job, you can just contact your finance or HR team. They will ask you to fill a form in the which is known as the VPF account registration. You can easily open your account, start contributing. So also you can open the account in any point of time in the financial year. ऐसा नहीं है कि starting में ही financial year start में आपको शुरू करना है account. No, whenever you join a job, whenever you are comfortable, you can go ahead and open an account. Another very important benefit of having a VPF is the voluntary contributions. Yes, my friends. So you can change the amount that you contribute to your fund any given point of the month. I mean your monthly contribution at any point of any other month. So suppose to this month I contributed say 10%, maybe next month I can go ahead and contribute even a higher or a lower 5% or a 20%. So this gives you a lot of flexibility, and that is not a case with EPF, because in that case this tenure is fixed to only 12. The contribution is fixed to only 12% of your salary. Also, do not worry if you have a job change, because these are easily transferable accounts from one employer to another employer. So the benefits of the invested amount from the prior employer will get transferred in the next employment. So there is no hassles even if you have a job change. And last on my list is the ATC benefit. So yes, the VPF is also entitles you to get the ATC tax benefit subject to the 1.5 lakh limit. So these were the long list of advantages of opting a VPF. In my opinion, very secure, high interest rate and hassle free. These are the most important benefits that you can get. And also this is not much talked about. I mean many people do not know about this VPF. So it will be great if you can share this video with your friends and even your colleagues for them to take advantage of this scheme. Now, after the long list of advantages that I have shared, yes, with हर सिक्के के दो पहलू होते हैं. So with these advantages also comes the disadvantage, which are smaller in my view. So yes, I'm a bit biased, but so let's have a look at what the disadvantages are. So the number one disadvantage is that this is not a liquid money. So the investments that you have made, forget about it till the next whatever your retirement age. So of course you would want your corpus to grow till you retire, because post retirement given the higher life expectancy, we want funds to support our lives at a later stage of our life. So this is not very liquid money, so just invest and forget. And even if you want to withdraw this fund, there's a long process. You have to write an application to the EPFO, give them valid reasons, maybe like health issues, or repaying of your home loans, daughter's marriage, illness and stuff. So on these grounds they will give you that is the trend, that is the history, that they have allowed a redemption. But otherwise it's very difficult to redeem the money. It's not like any other FD that you have made कि आपने एक click of a mouse आपने उसको तोड़ लिया अपने FD को. So it's not like that. So that process is a little hassled. Also in COVID times, many people took the option, and because of the liquidity crunch, the money crunch, many people resorted to, breaking their VPF accounts. So yeah, in dire times we have to do what we have to do, but otherwise this is the one biggest drawback of a VPF. Another thing is the applicability. So it's only applicable to salaried taxpayers and not to self-employed people. So for self-employed, we only have the PPF, but of course the interest rates are not as high as one can enjoy in the VPF of 8%. So that was it. That was it from my side. I hope you like the video. I hope you find my content useful. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel for me to grow, support my channel. Thank you. I hope to see you again. Thanks for watching. Bye.